Good morning class. Welcome to your maths class. Today before we start our maths class, I want to clear some doubts, okay? We'll clear some doubts which I found while asking you questions. Okay? So first we will clear that doubt. Okay? Now look here. There is difference between periods or the periods and the place values, okay? So look here. You first have the ones, yes? Then you have the tens. Then you have hundreds. Okay? Then you have thousand. Then you have 10,000. Am I right? So look here. These are the unit period. Okay? This you all know. And this is the थाउजेंड पीरियड. ध्यान से देखो बेटा, ये जो ऊपर है 10,000 एंड 1000, ये क्या है? ये है प्लेस वैल्यू. ठीक है? ये भी प्लेस वैल्यू. जो टीचर से प्लेस वैल्यू पूछेगी तो यू विल से वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स. लेकिन जब टीचर आपसे पूछेगी कि कौन सा पीरियड है, तो यू विल नॉट से वंस, टेंस और हंड्रेड. यू विल से इट इज द यूनिट पीरियड. जब टीचर आपसे पूछेगी कि नेम द डिजिट्स और इन द यूनिट पीरियड, देन ओनली यू विल से वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड. जब टीचर आपसे पूछेगी नेम द पीरियड, हाउ मेनी पीरियड्स यू हैव 4 periods, and when teacher will ask you name them, what will you name? The unit period, the thousand period, the lakhs period and the crore period. Okay? So again we'll just take a quick recap of all the periods that you have learned. Again look here, the ones, the tens, the hundred. Okay? These all belongs to one period. Am I right? Excuse me. Then you have the 1000, the 10,000. This also belongs to one period. Then you have the lakh and the 10 lakh. This belongs to one period. Okay, so put commas. No, not put comma here because you will not. You will put commas after every period. Okay, so there's crore and 10 crores. This is another period. So how many periods are there? Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are how many periods? 4 periods. Okay, name them. So first is unit or one period. Okay, then you have how many? Then you have which period? You have 1000 period. Then you have lakhs period. Then next you have the crore period. When I talk about period, children, ध्यान से देखिए. When I talk about period, children, I am talking about 1, 2, 3 and 4 periods. Okay, I am not talking about the internal or the inner digits. Okay, when I ask you what are the digits of unit period, तब आप बताएंगे मुझे ones, tens and hundred. जब मैं आपसे पूछूंगी what are the digits of 1000 periods, तो आप क्या मुझे आंसर करेंगे 1000 and 10,000. जब टीचर आपसे पूछेगी what are the digits in lakhs period, तो आप आंसर करेंगे lakhs and 10 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Or then what are the digits in crore period, you will answer crore and 10 crore. जब टीचर डिजिट्स पूछ रही है, जब टीचर आपसे पूछ रही हैं कि what are the periods, how many periods are there in place value chart, you will say 4 and name them. So you will not name 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. बिल्कुल नहीं, आप मुझे स्ट्रेट अवे बताएंगे यूनिट और वंस पीरियड, थाउजेंड, lakh and crore. ओके, am I clear here? आपको ये समझ में, आपको इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन है? सी दिस विल बी चाहिए तो आप लिख लेंगे ये सारा. ये जो है, ये जो नीचे वाला बॉक्स है इसे हम कहेंगे पीरियड्स ग्रुप और ये जो है ये आप कहेंगे डिजिट्स. ओके, आप ये सारा लिख लेंगे. राइट डाउन फास्ट इन योर नोटबुक. Now I am going to erase this. Now we will start with page number 8, question number 3, exercise 1.1, question number 3. Read the question. क्या है क्वेश्चन? What is the question? The question is read the following numbers and write their number names. Now you have to read and write their number names. So there are how many questions in question number 3? There are 4 sub questions in question number 3. Okay. So first, what is 3a? 3a is question is the digit is 251. Then 310. Okay, ये है आपका नंबर. What will you do? You will straight up write it first. 2 5 1 3 1 0. Then what will you do? You will start putting commas. Okay, what will you do? You will start putting commas after every period or every group. So first will be the unit period. So what will you do? You will put comma here. Yes? Yes. Then after that you will look on to second group or the second period. Now in second period how many digits are there? There are 2. That is 1000 and 10,000. You will put comma here. Then lakhs, इसके आगे कोई digit नहीं है, so you will ignore that. Okay. So here you have found the numbers, you have put commas. Now you know this is the unit period, then this is the 1000 period, and this is the lakh period. Now you can easily make out how will you read the number 2,51,310. Similarly, you will write here just by putting commas. You will write 2 lakhs. Then there is 51,310. I hope this is clear to you. You will not make any mistake henceforth. Is it clear? Now write the second digit. Now okay, I hope you have written this. Now this is the next question. What is the next question here? 5602130. This is the number. Yes. Now what will you do here? You will straight up write it 560 2130. Again you will put commas after every period. What will you do? You will put commas after one period and another period. Okay. So by now I think आपको पता है commas कैसे put कर रहे हैं. Yes or no? Now how will you write it? First you will put the commas and then read out the number 56. This is the lakh period. 56 lakh. Then there is only 2. This is 0. So we'll ignore 0. Then there is 2. So which period is this? This is 1000 period. So 56 lakhs 2000. This is the unit period. You know how to read it. 130. So how will you write a number name? Just write here 56 lakhs 2000 130. Okay, so copy down fast in your notebook. Now I am going to erase this so that we can write the next question. Now I will write both the questions. I hope you will be able to solve it on your own. This is the C and here I put B. Okay, so the question is 120 08731 and the D question is 1903041. Now try doing it on your own, both this question. Let me see how much you all know. So again, what will you do here is, wait beta, the question is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here this is 3, 087, 3119. Okay. Now, what will you do here again? Again, you will just write down the numbers, you will put commas, see which period they belongs to, then you will read it and then you will write it. Okay? Now see. Again, 1, 2, 3, 0, 8, 7, 3, 1. Am I right? First we will put the commas. After every period, 1, here this is, then after this, and this after this. So this is the unit period. See, this much is the unit period. Look here. This much is the unit period. Then this part is the 1000 period. Then if you look here, this is the lakh period, and then we got one more number here. See, this is the first time crore has come to the party. Okay. So here, what will you do? You will put crore. Okay. So this is the unit period. Am I right? The unit period, the 1000 period. Here what will you do? This is the lakh period and this will be the crore period. Now you very well know how you have to put the commas and bifurcate the numbers. Okay. So what will you write? And number name 1 crore. Okay. Then there is 23. So 23 lakhs. Yes. Then you saw there is 0 here. So you ignore the 0 and you write 8,000. Very nice. 8,000 700. This is the unit period. Okay. 731. Okay. Now jump to the next question. Again, what will you do here? The same process. You just write down the numbers first. Then you will put the commas. After every period, the first period has 3 digits, the second has 2, and the third is the last as it has 2. So again, see, read the numbers 19,03,041. So just write down 19 lakhs 3,000 and 40. Okay, write down fast everyone. I hope आपको ये सारा कुछ समझ में आ रहा है. It is very easy. If you have any problems, any doubts, you will ask me in next lecture when we come live. Okay? So when we have a live class, you will ask me all the doubts related to all that has been taught here. Okay? So I'm going to erase this. I hope you have written this. Pause the video and then you can write. Okay? So now we read the question number 4. If you have textbook, please read the question number 4. And for those who do not have textbook, I am writing the question on the board. Okay? Now this is question number 4. So 4A, what is the question? Now write down the question number 4. Okay, question number 4A. The question is 8 lakh 19,000 500 and 16. Okay, this is the question. Now what will you do? You will straight up first write the place values. Okay, so this is 8 lakhs, so you will write up to 8 lakhs. Again see 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay, this much, it is up to 8 lakhs, so you will put the place values up to 8 lakhs. What will you do here? Straight up, what will you write? You will write 8, then there's 19,000, here you will write 19,000, then there's 500, then 16. This will be your answer. Okay? So now I will write the question number 2. You will do it on your own. Okay? The question is 9 lakh 16,050. 16,000 and 50. It is 50. 15,000 to this. So do this on your own. I hope you will be able to solve this on your own. Now, how will you write this? Again, you will follow the same method. You will just write, see it is up to lakh, just write the place value. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Then you have 9 lakhs. Then you have 16,000. That means this will belong to the 16th period here. Then you have only 50. 50, 50, there is no 100. So here, so in the place of 100 you will put 0. Okay. So this is your number. I hope this is clear to you. Now, we will write the next two remaining questions. Now, question number C. Now C question is 2 crores. What is the question? 2 crores. Then the next is 62 lakh. 62 lakh 80,014. 80,014. Okay. So this is your first question. The next question is third question. I'll write the another one also. Till then you try solving the question number C, 4C. Now 4D is 80 lakh 70,005. So again, what will you do? You will first write the place values so that it is easier to place numbers in those place values. This is the unit period, then you will write the thousand period. This is the lakh period, and this is the crore period. We will not go to 10 crores. Why? Because we have only 2 crores. Okay. So in crore period, we will straight up write how many crores? 2. And if you see in lakhs, we have both. There are 6 tens and 2 lakhs. So again here 10 lakhs and 6. And how many lakhs? 2 lakhs. Then again there is 80,000. That means there are 8 10,000s but no thousands. Then there is 14, means there is no 100 and 1 tens and 4 ones. Similarly, now go towards this. This is up to 80 lakhs. Again, 1, 10, 100, lakhs and 1000, 10,000. Then lakhs, then you also have 10 lakhs because there are 8 10 lakhs. Okay, so here 80 lakhs 70,000 and 0 and 0 and 5. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, now children, write down this fast so that we can go to the next sum. Okay. Now question number 5. I hope if you have not written, just pause the video and continue it. Okay. So we will erase this. Now question number 5. Now do what you have to do in question number 5. Just read the question. Build the numbers which have Okay, now what you have to do? You have to build the numbers. Okay, so first 5A. What is the question? 3 crores. Okay, we have 3 crores. Then you have 5 lakhs. Okay, you have 5 lakhs. You have 5 lakhs. Then you have 2 tens. Okay, so you know it is up to crores. So what will you do? You will start placing the place values. 1000, then the 10,000, then the lakh, then the 10 lakh, then the crore. Okay, you will first start putting the place values. Then you see in crores what will you write? You will write 3 crores. अब आपको सी लुक एट द क्वेश्चन, आपको यहाँ पर lakhs 10 lakhs में कुछ नहीं है कुछ नहीं है, there is nothing mentioned in the question. You will straight up put 0. Then if you see no 10 lakhs में नहीं, but you can see 5 lakhs में है, so you will put 5 lakhs here. Then if you see you have no thousands, आपको यहाँ पे thousands नहीं है, straight up you have given tens. तो आपको 10,000, 1,000 and 100 you have nothing. So what will you do? You will put zeros. Tens में you have 2 tens and ones also you don't have. So this is your number. Okay, the number is 3 crore 5 lakhs and 20. Okay, am I clear everyone? आपको ये समझ आया? Now write the next question. See, in A only you have the next part, that is 19,000. You have 19,000, 103 ones. Okay, 100 and 3 ones. This is the first part where you have 3 crores 5 lakhs and 2 tens. Then you have 19,000, 103 ones. Okay, so आपको इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. Okay, what will you do? You will add because you have to build the numbers. So here 19,000. So what will you do? Again straight up you will write the numbers. Okay, it is up to thousands. What will you do? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Ones you have how many ones? 3 ones. Then you have no this. You okay, look here, 19,000. You have 19,000. There you have no 100, but you have 100. Yes. Then you have no tens, and this is your number. What you have to do? You have to add this. Now how will you add this? You will first write the number up. Look here. I repeat it again. You have 2 digits here. 3 crores 5 lakhs and 2 tens. You will make the number here. Then after that comma you have one more number, 19,103 ones. What will you do? You will again make the number here. You have 2 numbers. You have to build the numbers. That means you will add the numbers. Okay. So how will you add it? You will add. You will just write 3, 0, 5. Then there's 3 0. Then there's 2 and 0. Okay. Now you will add this number. How will you add? Ones place, you will write here 1. See again, you will put here, just 1 further. Okay. In tens place, you have 0. then in hundred place you have 1, then in thousands place you have 9, in 10,000 you have this much. Okay, then in lakhs you have nothing, you will put 0, in 10 lakhs you have nothing, you will put again 0, and then in crore you have nothing. So just add the number 0 plus 3, 3, okay, you cannot see, I write smaller one, 3, 2, 1, 9, 1, 5, 0, 3. Am I clear? Okay. Now look again. 3 crores, 5 lakhs and 2 tenths. You have made the number? Yes? Okay, you have made the numbers. Then write the another one. There's 9,103 ones. You have written it again. Then you will add the numbers and you will get the answer. Okay. Now solve the next one. I hope you have written this so that we can go to the next question. Now I'm going to erase this. Now look. Now B, again write, if you see straight up you have given 2 questions, okay, in one. The first is 41,000. Then there is comma, and after that you have 11 lakhs. You have 11 lakhs. Then again you have comma, then you have 310. Okay, you have 300 and you have 5 tens. Okay, not 1 ten, but you have 5 tens. This is your question. The question is 41,000, 11 lakhs, 305 tens. Now you have, see, 1 comma, 2 commas and 3. So you have 3 digits here. Okay, so what will you do? You will first write 41,000. Again, what will you do? You will put the place values so that it is easier for you to make numbers. So 1, 10, 100, 1000 and stop here because it is only 41,000. Okay, so how will you write the number? 41 and then you have 30. This is your first number. Then you have 11 lakhs. Yes, you have 11 lakhs. Then how will you write? You will again write the same way so that you don't forget. 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Yes. Again frame the number 11 lakhs. Here is your 11 lakhs. Then remaining you will put zeros. Again I'll put here comma and I'll write here only. Then there is 305 tens. See, 305 tens. Okay. So this is only up to 100. I can write here. I will write here 1, 10s and 100. So there are 300 and 5 tens and no ones. So this is your number. You have got 3 numbers. What will you do? It is up to lakhs. So what will you do? You will start writing 1, 10, 100, 1000 and then then 10,000 and then lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now you will straight up put the digits under this place values. Okay. So the first is 41,000. So here 0, 0 and then 41,000. Then you have 11 lakhs. See here under lakhs this. Then again you put zeros. This is add and this also you will add. The next is 350. So you will add 350. Okay. So now just add this and you get the number. Okay. You get the number. So I hope this is clear to you. We'll stop here for today. Have a good day, children, and thank you so much.